Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this gradient time displacement effect in Adobe After Effects. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video.
This is Creative Society.
Let's create a new composition in After Effects. I'm going to make it 1080 by 1920 at 25 frames per second. Drop the footage into the timeline, scale it down to fit the composition, and let's play to see what we're working with. Now create a solid layer by going to Layer, New, and Solid. Leave the default settings, hit OK, and then in the Effects and Presets window, search for Gradient Ramp. Add it to the solid layer, and now we have to create a gradient that goes from left to right. For that, we're going to start adjusting the start and end values to move these points. The start will have the value 0 and the height divided by 2, in our case 960. Then for the end, first value will be the width, in our case 1080. And second value height divided by 2, so 960. Hit swap colors and change the value of white to 51, 51, 51. Perfect. Now hide the solid layer, select the footage, and in the Effects and Presets panel, search for Time Displacement. Here, select the solid layer, then change this to Effects and Masks and the value of the max displacement time to 4. Let's hit play to see the results. The outcome depends a lot on your footage, so I recommend experimenting with the displacement time and the gradient values. If we zoom in, we can see that the distortion effect is creating some pixelated areas. If you want to smooth those out, select the two layers and pre-compose them. Make sure this is checked and hit OK. Now search for Pixel Motion Blur and add it to the pre-comp. Now we have to change the shutter, samples, and shutter angle. Before we proceed, I gotta let you know that this effect is using a lot of your computer's resources. So please test out with small values first, then progressively increase if your computer is able to handle the settings. And this is the final result. That was it for this video, guys. Hope that helped you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who should see this. Have a wonderful day.